Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to stop Discord server spam messages using CarlBot. So first of all, what you have to do is open your web browser on your PC and go to carl.gg. This is a website for CarlBot. So once you have opened the website, click on login with Discord. Click on it and you have to simply log in with your Discord account and click on authorize. And then you have to select the server in which you want to add in your bot, CarlBot. So I will select my server, and then you have to simply click on continue. Click on authorize, select I am a human if you're not a bot, and then you have to click on the skip button just under get started. Once this page has been loaded, what you have to do is find auto mod just under moderation. Click on auto mod and this page will open. What you have to do is scroll down just a bit until you see spam section. Now, in the spam section, what you want to give as a punishment, for instance, you have a warning button, you have a mute, kick, temporary ban, and permanent ban. So I will keep that as a delete message. So let's dive in for the punish after. So once a user sent more than 3 messages in under 60 seconds, for instance, if a user has been spamming messages, for instance, there are so many type, for instance, you can set it as in 30 seconds as well, which means if any user in my server sends more than 3 messages just under 30 seconds, then what I will do, I will delete their messages and I will click on save. Now you can, if I go to my server and select my server, now in the chat room, if any users sends more than 3 messages in a row, then automatically the CarlBot will delete their messages. And that's how you can stop Discord server spam messages using CarlBot. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.